Hey, what's up, guys? This is Sohan, and you're watching Technical Spark. Friends, I would like to let you know that we have successfully completed our Trellix Drive Encryption series, and I tried to cover all the possible things, which can help one of the beginner or expert to gain the thorough knowledge and see the things practically how exactly those are working in your test lab or production environment. And I have received lots of your good response over the mail, Instagram, Twitter, or as well as my YouTube comments. And I'm really happy to know that all you people are really finding this as a useful or meaningful videos, which will take us to the next level. But guys, here I have one query that all the people who are watching my videos, only 2 to 3% are people have subscribed, and rest of the 97 person just watching the videos. So please click on the subscribe button, okay? Because this is completely free of cost and it's not going to charge any single rupees to you. Okay, it's just for me to build my community bigger. And the benefit of subscribing button is whenever I'll upload new videos now, you will automatically get those notifications on your email as well as your YouTube application. It's completely up to you whether you want to receive on email. So there's a notification bell icon. As per your requirement, you can select the appropriate option. And the another thing I would like to let you know, that is the giveaway. Okay, because last time we have done the giveaway where I have distributed 15 people with a laptop stand, and that was really very useful stand. Okay, and the people who have received those are really happy. And this time I have decided to increase that number for 50 peoples, and that product will be your t-shirt. So Technical Spark t-shirt. Okay, the quality is very good and this will stay with you for a very long time. And guys, to receive that gift, you don't have to share your address, number or anything with anyone, okay, like me or my team. You just have to the code which you are going to receive, because this particular code is going to be shared with only first 50 members and not the all. So once you receive that code from me, what you will have to do, just go to that particular website and enter that code, and you can set your Technical Spark t-shirt. There are different colors available, and once you select that, just enter the code and then fill your address details, and that code will automatically deliver to your home address. The benefit of this particular code is that includes your cost of t-shirt charges as well as your delivery charges. So the process is very simple, and to qualify for this particular giveaway, what you will have to do, so you will just have to record your 40 seconds to 1 minute video, and that video you will have to share with me by uploading it to your Google Drive, OneDrive or any other media, okay, and then share that particular link with me over the Telegram or my email ID, Instagram, anywhere you can share. And these are the details where you can share those data with me. So hopefully guys, all you guys are really interested or excited to receive that gift. And just to let you know that in next series we are going to learn Trellix FRP, which means file and removable media protection, because in drive encryption we just saw how exactly the hard disk encryption works, but we haven't encrypted any data. So in next series we are actually going to encrypt your data which is available on your machine, so that even if anyone else will try to access your data, then he will not be able to open it. Why? Because it's encrypted. So that's it in this video. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.